A Google Maps scraper can pull you thousands of local business leads in a few minutes for free. Tricky part is turning those leads into money, and that's the step almost nobody figures out. I'm going to show you exactly how. Here is what we're doing today. It's 2 steps, and by the end of this video, you'll have the whole thing set up and running. Step 1 is you will be scraping a list of local businesses off Google Maps. Step 2, you'll be dropping that list into GoHighLevel, and it texts them and follows up for you on autopilot until one of them raises their hand and asks to see the website. And then you sell them that website, charge them every single month, and that's how the leads turn into income. And to make it that simple for you, the whole outreach system is already built. The workflow, messages, follow-ups, all of it. You'll just have to go to the link in the description, start your free Go High Level trial, and it imports straight into your account, nothing to build from scratch. If you're stuck at any point, you can email me anytime, and I'll help you out myself. Let's start with a scraper, because this is where your money list comes from. So you can go into Google Maps, type in a business, landscapers, roofers, or remodelers, anything that you want. And then you can use the free Try Smart Scraper extension. You hit extract business data, and it scrolls through everyone and drops them into a spreadsheet for you. Google caps how many businesses it shows in one search. So here's a trick to get more. You can zoom into one part of the city and run it again. New businesses will show up, and you can add those to your list, and that's how you can pull hundreds of businesses out of a single city. Now, two things turn into a raw list into a money list. First, you'll have to sort for the businesses with no website. Those are the people that you're going to be selling it to. So they're your buyers. Second is you'll have to keep the mobile numbers only. A cell number is almost always the owner, so you can skip the front desk and text the person who's actually gonna say yes to you. Do those two things and you've got a clean list of owners who need exactly what you sell. That step is the difference between this working and flopping at all. Now take that list and import it into GoHighLevel. Go to Contacts, hit Import, drop the file in, and here is the workflow explanation that does it for you. It only runs between 9 a.m. and 7 p.m., so you're never texting someone at midnight. It sends on a drip mode about 50 texts per day, so it stays natural and safe. And then it sends the first text, and it waits under an hour and then checks if the owner has replied. And from there, it splits 3 ways. If someone says that they're not interested, the system quietly drops them into a do not disturb list so that they could never get a single text. If someone sounds interested, you'll get an instant notification telling you to reach out. However, if they don't reply at all, the node will wait for a day and it will send a follow-up message, and then it's going to repeat the process again. Now here is what the actual first message looks like. Hey there, I'm John. I came across your business online and noticed that you don't have a website yet. I took the initiative to build one for you. Would you like to take a look? If you prefer that I don't text again, you can just reply with bye bye. Now see why that works? You're not pitching, you're just offering to show them something that's basically done. And if they don't want your services, they can just text you back with bye bye. So what do you do when someone raises their hand? You just keep it simple. Don't sit there texting back and forth for an hour. Your only goal is to get them on a quick call. Log in, see you said yes, and call them. Be a normal human, tell them you'll show them the website, and then book a 2-minute demo. Same day if you can, and on that call you show them their Google listing, you show them competitors who all have websites, and then you show them the site that you have put together for them. It does not have to be perfect, it just has to be better than nothing. And for these businesses, it always is. And then you charge them every month to keep it live. Let me keep the numbers honest. On cold texts like these, a good reply rate is about 2 to 4%. So out of 100 leads that you message every single day, you might only get a handful who want to see the site, and that is completely normal. So you can go on and scrape a fresh batch, send 50 drips a day, and the list keeps feeding you conversations. Now, most people who watch this will scrape a list and never send a single message, so they will be making nothing. The scraper is easy, but the money comes from actually running from outreach. But the work is simple, and it stacks up fast once you have properly started. This is for 2 people. If you're just starting and you want your first real income online, a Google Maps scraper plus the system gets you in front of business owners with no ads, no following, and cold calling all day. And if you already run an agency or handle clients, this is the fastest way to keep your pipeline full without hiring a sales team. Same system either way, and the outreach is already half built for you. So that is the whole thing. You can go ahead and scrape a clean list of local owners with no website, let GoHighLevel text them and follow up on autopilot, and then call the ones who raised their hand and sell them a monthly website. If you want the entire outreach workflow, the messages, follow-ups, all of it, loaded straight into your account, you can start your free GoHighLevel trial to the link in the description. Scrape your first list today, import it, and send your first 50 this week. If you get stuck anywhere, my email is in the description below. You can reach out and I'll help you. I'll see you in the next one.